Hi, I'm Karen Atkins, singer-songwriter and health educator. Today, we're going to do a movement called the Pigeon Spreads Its Wings. Arm spreading movements like this one are great for opening up the chest and supporting the heart and lungs. This opening movement also helps reduce feelings of anxiety and fear, especially when the energy in the world is chaotic. It's a great way to deflect any negativity from coming your way. So get ready to spread your wings and try this with me. So for this movement, we're going to take what's called a bow stance. So you're going to just step one foot in front of the other, still about shoulder width apart. And then you're going to bring your hands back as you inhale, and the front toe is going to lift up as you're spreading your wings. And then as you press forward, the hands are going to turn slightly, and you're going to come forward and lift up the back heel. So inhale, coming back. Exhale, coming forward. And you really want to feel like you're holding a ball, and then you're just pushing it forward as you fly in the sky. Inhaling back, really soft with the hands. That really helps you feel that kind of wind motion in the body. Okay, so inhaling, lifting the front toe, exhaling back, helping to calm all the chaotic energy in your surroundings, if there is any. Hopefully there isn't, but that's the way the world can be sometimes. You're gonna also can switch and go to the other side, and same thing. Spreading your wings, flying in the sky. Inhale, exhale, and when you're finished, just closing. If you enjoyed the music playing in this video, then you're not alone. It has some great healing elements that you can learn more about on my Karen Atkins music channel. So subscribe there, and I'll see you soon.